There's a lot of people really happy right now. And why they're happy? Well, they're making money. And this is a PEPE coin video for all the army. But I just want to say, earlier today, I've been in some spaces on X. I mean, everybody, you and I, listening to people, communities making so much money, creating their own meme coins. It's like Shiba Inu, Dogecoin, Pepe, Floki, Bonk, and many others are inspiring the communities, right? Because the percentage of meme coins that are going to get to the level of Pepe is minuscule. It's less than 1%. So having Pepe, which I'm going to talk about this title, 182 billion, exactly the reason why we are not seeing some major fallbacks, and I'll explain. But it's really cool when you have a fun, just the right vibes, the right community, the right people, and kind of like everybody, most of the people are on the same tune, on the same sync, and that allows for the price to continue rising. People like me maybe want to get in at a lower price, but it's just not showing. And right now the charts it's super fun. Look at this. It's been above the Neo cloud in the 4-hour candle. We're looking at Tuesday, May the 21st. It's been 6 days. It's been 6 days, Pepe coin holders. Since Pepe, obviously, I'm not saying that we're going to have just green candles. That is impossible. That is not human per se. But we're going to have people buying and cashing out, buying and cashing out and buying. But you see how it is really nicely on my log salgo indicator guide. Go ahead and take a look at the first link down below. You're really going to love it. Over 70 people have been joined with my link and went to buy and sell and trade. But Pepe at the moment, it's just steady right now. Steady in the top ones that is kind of moving. But what I was saying is, there's Jenner. Yeah, Jenner. Then there's other ones, MAGA tokens, political tokens, all kinds of tokens, turbo. We cannot make a video to include every single one of them, or maybe we could, but I'm focusing on what these getaway cryptos, right? The stellar cryptos, household names that are penetrating, a lot of the people that are not in crypto. And I'm really gonna take a message from somebody that I was speaking in a Cronos meme coin space earlier today, which they're saying that a lot of the times the first interaction you have with the blockchain is through a meme coin. There's gonna come in time when Dogecoin is gonna be more popular than Ethereum, right? So Pepe coin, as we are waiting for a 40, 50, 60 billion market cap, is going to come to a time when people are going to tell you, hey, have you bought Pepe? Isn't it Pepe pumping right now? They will have no clue what Bitcoin is, but they know what Pepe is. Welcome, everybody. Don't forget to smash the like button and consider subscribing to the channel. Turn on those notification bells. Also, second link down below, right below Log Salgo for your trading signals. You'll have Swap and Go. The pre-sale is active right now. Click there. Take a look at them, of course. Get some SNG tokens, utility ones, right? Not a meme coin. Join the Telegram as well that they have available. And the last one, the third one is Margex. 8 people have joined with my link, which I appreciate you guys. Plus, we're going to get more to get your 50, 100, up to 100x positions where you can, get the best deal out of futures and derivatives, but don't forget to deposit at least $100 so you can start trading, right? So that'll be really good. Now, guys, why am I showing you this with Pepe? Is because of the following. Whales, 2 addresses, maybe 1 whale, but basically right now 2 wallets. They understand the pump that we had, and you can start taking a look at on the highlighted. What they're saying is that they have withdrawn the funds from the OKX wallets. For those people who have no clue on this, when you deposit money, Shiba Inu, Dogecoin, Bitcoin, Pepe, or whatever token, onto a crypto exchange, that signals a lot of people that you're gonna sell. That signals people that you're gonna cash out. Typically, you will see that at the end of the bull market because people are just trying to exit and then just start selling, and exchanges started using a lot of the stable coins or to their own currencies, dollar, euro, whichever currency, but that happens a lot. It's completely the opposite in a bear market, that you see an influx of tokens going up because people want to buy. Well, right now, this token, following this parabolic growth, the crypto analysts from Look on Chain, which I've been following them, and I like it. They kind of tell you these insights, has hinted two wallets, newly created wallets, have withdrawn 182 billion PEPE, which is about $3 million, which I love that. I mean, $3 million. Are you kidding me? In less than 1 hour. Such an enormous amount of PEPE moving from an exchange, to thankfully or hopefully, a wallet, is a willingness to sell is reduced, right? So it's signaling that it's trying to hold. If you take a look at the price of PEPE right now, I mean, it's not mega pumping per hour, per minute, per 4 hours. But when you start looking at the daily chart, every other day we have a red one, but for the most part, it's green, green, green. And look at this. I mean, we can easily start seeing the trend effective immediately since, take a look at this, roughly since April 20th. After April the 22nd, PEPE really started ramping up and then finally start seeing some levels that I was saying like, how? But, it is what happens when people admit that why sell now if you can sell at a price that is much higher, because PEPE is going to bring, like I was saying right now, different communities. I want to show you something. If you come to Dex Tools, I try to do something right here. Now, this is a PEPE. If you do PEPE, obviously you can find the graph Ethereum, the one we're talking about, but there's also PEPEs on other different chains, right? FY, most of them will be rug pulls, so don't do that. But I was checking on this one, and there's a PEPE on Radium that is actually doing pretty decent. Now, I mean, that is $70 million in market cap. What is the market cap of the normal PEPE? That is about $7 billion. So there's a big difference, right? And there's also the original PEPE coin, right? That is an ERC20 token. That it's an old one that some people are already finding it. So let's go ahead and see if we can find it. I believe it's called PEPE coin. I think it's this one. Might be. Don't quote me on this. Might be one that is kind of like super, 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 super old. But the idea is that you can find it. You can find tons of PEPEs, guys. It has to be like years created. So if you go ahead and do your due diligence, you may be able to find it. So the point that I'm trying to make is, guys, right now, as long as whales are not cashing out, you're going to see this type of articles coming in. What's happening? People are not selling. And I'm ready with, and by the way, there's another one with the top performance, and obviously PEPE is included because right now it's been stellar. There's a lot of 1% people that don't want to do what the 99 does, right? And it is investing in meme coins. That's kind of like the best rate of return that we're seeing so far. So I think a good strategy for me that I'm really going to follow is whatever the gains I get on some meme coins, I'm going to put it back to Bitcoin, Ethereum, Cronos, and those tokens that you have high conviction that are solid investments, right? Because meme coins, they go up, but they also come down, and you got to be ready. Thanks for watching, everybody. I think the only good thing is that right now we're approaching the altcoin season. So as long as you follow this strategy and you kind of hold the good meme coins, you'll know when to sell. It's not the time right now, but let altcoin season come and it really shows what's really out there. And then any good time selling it at around 80, 100 billion, that's it. I don't really have to risk too much into being very greedy and say, well, PEPE is going to go to 200 billion, so I'm going to sell it only at 200 billion market cap. No, realistically speaking, I'm going to get some PEPE and I'm going to hold it for a while. I'm just looking for some retracements. Once those come, I'll get in. I have some pretty good dollars there saved up for this position. So I'm excited. Just wanted to give you those clues and insight. Thank you for coming, everybody. Join the communities down there and support the channel. Peace.